Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Shivers ran through my spine with the freezing moonlight. It's long after midnight, but my eyes are open wide. Dying of inner pain, I can hardly feel it.
Hi guys, Sanjana here from Femina's beauty team, and in this video today I'm going to show you how you can wear your hair this summer season. I personally don't like tying my hair in a bun, so I'm always trying to accessorize it, try and use different ways to tie my hair. So here I'm going to show you how you can have fun with your hair with these 3 different looks. Come on, have a look.
Wake me up from my dreams, full of sadness and tears. And I know you can save me, I know you can set me free. Burning down all my past, leaving it all behind. And I know you can save me, I know you can set me free. Free, 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 free. Ran through my spine with the freezing moonlight. It's long after midnight, but my eyes are open wide. Dying of inner pain, I can hardly feel it. Maybe I've gone insane, but it seems like your voice is calling my name. It's calling my name. It's calling my name. Wake me up from my dreams, full of sadness and tears. And I know you can save me, I know you can set me free. Burning down all my past, living it all behind. And I know you can save me, I know you can set me free. Free, 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 free.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do tell us in the comment section below, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.